Hi everybody, welcome to part 4 of nuclear chemistry. This video is about nuclear fission. Now, this thing I drew actually isn't real life. In fact, it actually splits an atom to make energy. In our case, electrical energy. But how do we split an atom? Well, we get unstable isotopes of uranium. Now, normal uranium, which is uranium-238, has a half-life of millions and billions of years. But uranium-205 has a half-life a lot shorter. Although it's still 700 million years, it's still relatively unstabler than 238. So, once we shoot a neutron at it, the nucleus will split. But also, not only that, also causing neutrons to fire out, colliding with other uranium atoms, splitting them too. And all of this energy that is formed is transmitted into nuclear energy. So it's actually a chain reaction that splits atoms, and every single atom. Which means we can have a lot of energy from nuclear energy. But this isn't always good. But remember, there's actually some kind of this part of this atom. And this is what we call nuclear waste. It's actually radioactive stuff that we put in cans and then bury it deep underground. Which is actually a lot better than pumping a lot of toxic gases into the atmosphere. But what about all those neutrons floating around? Because there are always neutrons floating around when the fission reactions end. Well, that could be easily taken care of with graphite. We just swipe out all the neutrons with graphite, and then you have it. We made energy with nuclear fission. But what exactly nuclear fission is well, an atom splitting. Well, nuclear fission, first of all, let me just draw a random atom. And I drew a stable lithium isotope called lithium-6. So if we have this isotope, and then I launch a neutron at it, it's going to split the nucleus. Boom! And then whatever is left will be helium and tritium, an isotope of hydrogen, which is radioactive. In other words, nuclear fission is simply a huge nucleus splitting, forming energy. Now, why this process creates energy will be explained in our next video about binding energy. This was Nuclear Chemistry Part 4. Thanks for watching and see you in Part 5. Bye!